Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss about agriculture versus urban impact. Unit 2, environmental impact. The subject is environmental and agriculture. The word urbanization refers to shift of population from rural to urban areas. The gradual increases in the proportion of people living in urban areas and the ways in which each society adapt to the change. It predominantly result in the physical growth of urban areas, be it horizontal and vertical. Food security exists when all people at all time have both physical and economic access to sufficient safe and nutritious food that meets their need for an active and healthy life. Food security and urbanization are closely relevant to each other. It has become a great challenge to ensure good food security in the era of urbanization. Population moving from rural settlement to a city or to a densely populated area calls urbanization. People move to cities for various reasons. City provides different services available in the area in between the city. Job, education, healthcare, transportation, environment, etc. These are all the pull for urbanization. So here the main causes of urbanization: better good food supply, good medical care, hospitals availability, good education, job availability, specialization of profession, and entertainment. The consequences of urbanization for a country is not a given. Both the experience of the cities as well as the general global experience is that urbanization is an inevitable feature of the development process. However, beyond this very general trend, urbanization holds both promise and problems for a country, and which future will come to dominate will very much depend on the nature and efficacy of policy engagement with the urban agenda. So here some impact of urbanization. These problems are very complex and their interactions are hard to define. It is very important to examine problems through the socio-economic cultural system. Even the interconnections between urbanization and food security are now better known. We still lack exact information on how the issues are linked, on what degree they interact, and what are the most effective measures. One problem is to integrate land and water use planning to provide food and water security. Probably most of the major environmental problems of the next century will result from the continuation and sharpening of existing problems that currently do not receive enough political attention. The problem are not necessarily noticed in many countries, or then nothing is done even the situation has been detected. The most emerging issues are climate change, fresh water scarcity, food security, and freshwater pollution and population growth. Here, some disadvantages of urbanization. The urbanization is increasing rapidly, which should be considered as a good thing. The answer is no. Some of the disadvantage of urbanizations are: number one, increase of population, movement of people from rural to urban area, increase of industries and factories, increase in pollution in the environment, farmers losing their farms, cutting down the forest, global warming, distraction in the ecosystem. With urbanization, industries and factories are also increasing, which is again followed by air, water, soil, and sound pollutions. We are losing the beauty of our country as well as the greenery, which is due to cutting down forest and trees to fulfill the demand of rising population and for the industries. As such, farmers are losing their farms and jobs due to pollution created by those factories, and also because they want to move in the cities for better paid jobs, which might lead us to a worst situation. Food security includes the following aspects: availability, access, affordability, quality, nutrition, safety. Think of an example of an issues which may affect each aspect of food security. Food security is one of the biggest challenge facing humankind. There are many factors related to urbanization which have combined to make food security such as large issues. This includes increasing population. In 2009, the world population was 6 billion. By 2050, it is predicted to reach 9 billion. Our current output of food is not enough to feed a population of 9 billion. Current availability and gaps: the total requirement of cereal food item in 2020-21 is estimated to be 23.64 million tons based on 435 grams per capita per day consumption for a population size of 148 million. Against this, production of cereal means cleaned rice and wheat in 2020-21 is estimated at 31.5 million tons after deduction of 10% for seeds, feed and wastage. Potato production is reported to be surplus by 6.25 million tons. Gaps between requirement and production of other important food crops and livestock products are wide. The World Health Organization states that there are three pillars that determine food security. Number one is food availability, food access, and food use. The FAO add a fourth pillar, the stability of the first three dimensions of food security over time. In 2009, the World Summit on Food Security state that the four pillars of food security are availability, access, utilization, and stability. Here, four pillars of security is availability, access, utilization, and governance. So the final conclusion of our urbanization causes agriculture is: to summarize, the objective was that to outline the relationship between urbanization and food security and compare food density, lesson from successful agriculture and nutrition related policies and program in other societies can be useful in highlighting best practice. Sound planning, well educational tragedy, and its strong coordination of implementation plan supported by the government of finance is essential to make relevant policy recommendations. Thank you. Hope we have some knowledge about urbanization impacts the agriculture. Thank you.